Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Today, we are going to show you the fastest mod that you can do to your BMW F30. So be sure to catch it before it's gone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a colored start-stop button. In the BMW F30 behind me, we're going to install this red one, and in my car, as you might imagine, we're going to install the blue. Basically, the way that this works is it comes with this little piece of clay. You're going to stick it to your start-stop button, and you quickly remove it, and it's going to pop out the whole thing. You take the new one and press it in. It takes about 10 seconds. So what you want to do is grab your clay, you want to press it against the start-stop button, and then remove it pretty quickly, just like that. You take your new one, you line it up, press it on, and you're done. Now let's go install the blue one in my car. So once again, take that clay, press it on the start-stop button, pull it off, get your new one, line it up, press it on, you're good to go. And that is the fastest mod that you can do to your BMW F30. Now, if you're interested in these or other BMW retrofit performance or aesthetic needs, be sure to check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. As always, be sure to give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. I should be like this, just to be like, catch it before it's gone.